Hey girl, I got an espresso machine. It came with a few capsules. And today we're gonna do double espresso. We're gonna shake this shit up a little bit. I like espresso because I don't have to worry about my teeth turning yellow. I just take a shot, it lasts me about 4 to 5 hours and go about my day. I'm not like drinking coffee all day, so I don't have like coffee breath. Ew. Now I don't understand why it only fills up half the cup, so I taught myself this little trick where I press it again to get the rest of the capsule out. I want every cent I paid for. And then I'm just gonna throw a little brown sugar, go about my day. Have a good day.